Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you guys my favorites from 2022. Okay, the first favorite is this. Why am I kind of like shy to say this, but I got a pink chair and this pink keyboard because I was feeling myself. And for those that know, I really like to play Tetris, so you know, like Mac keyboard is so small and then my nails are like usually long, so it's so hard to like play with the little keyboards. So I wanted like a big one that is like chunky and you know, like this lighting makes it so extra and I love it so much. Okay guys, let me talk about my pink chair that I'm sitting on right now, but I can show you guys because I'm wearing PJ pants right now, so I'll just show you guys through picture right here. This chair is so cute and it kind of like embraces me, like embraces my body, and then this fur is like really nice, so it kept me really warm. I'm kind of worried about summer because I sweat a lot on my thighs, but like as long as it's cute, right? And the color, I'm obsessed. And my chair is like super quiet now. It's not singing anymore like it did. Like I could literally just move around, lean forward, zero sound. So my next one, I bought some clothes when I went to Portugal and from a place called Oisho. So I got this like little crew neck sweater. Yeah, and it's like the softest clothing I've ever like owned in my life. Such a nice throw on like sweater for outside or home. And then I also got biker shorts. They have their brand name back here too. Can you see? Oh, you can see, you can see. This feels like any other leggings, but it's super nice, it's super cute, and I just love it. And also from Oisho, I bought PJ pants. Like this is like the texture. It's like so soft. When I first wore this and then went on the couch and watched like Korean drama, it was such a vibe. I always wanted to get into like cuter pajamas, but Oisho has a lot of cute pajamas, but they don't have it here. But I believe you could buy them online. I like 100% recommend. And next one is this Perfume. It was my first time trying this brand. Like I cannot even read it. The worker like recommended me this one and I smelled it. I really liked it. You guys can see like I finished a bottle. There's not even a drop left, right? Kind of like a shampoo, fresh girl smell. But one thing about this, I don't really like the cap. It's very cheap. It feels like a toy plastic, you know? Even here, it like wore off. Okay, the next one is this water flosser. I floss like every night with the string one, but like honestly, I don't know if that works because it's like pushing it down, you know? I just thought it was like, there should be a better way. My roommate, she uses a water flosser, so I was like, yo, I want one. But I got this one from Bitvae on Amazon. They sent this to me and I tried to use it and it was honestly really hard in the beginning. It was kind of scary. This is a power button and this one is like level 1, 2, 3. I had it on level 1. I thought I was gonna die. But as I got used to it, like I'm chill now. Like I could just do it. And I like this way better than the actual like floss. And I love how it's so cute and small. Like this is really small for a water flosser. And guys, there were like a lot of color options for this. But you know, like there was pink, right? So I was like so tempted to get pink, but like all of a sudden my room turned into a Barbie room. So I got white and I'm so glad I got white. And all of these are detachable, so it's like really easy to clean. You could use this for 40 days per charge. Like full charge. Yo, this thing works. I don't know how, but it does. It like strikes in between my teeth. I don't know if that's like a TMI and you're grossed out, but it's facts, okay? My next favorite is this necklace that I got. It says E, and it came with this one. This one is a little bit smaller, so it kind of gives me choker vibes almost. It's like this. When I use them together, it's so cute. But one more came with this, like a middle one, which is like a heart. But I don't really use that one. I just use these two as a combo. And I got this from Amazon, guys. I remember I was like, yo, this is so cheap and so cute. Go get it. And finally, some makeup. You guys already know, I just love my blueberry chip from rom&nd. I use it today too. It's very good for cool tones. And my next one are these contacts. This is Vivid Ring Beige from Olens. I made a video on this before, and at the moment, I was just like, oh, okay, this lens is cool. But I started wearing it and I started to love it. And I wear it like every single day. Okay, enough of materials. Now, I'm gonna talk about Korean drama because y'all know I like Korean drama. But I wasn't able to watch a lot this year actually. So I only have one favorite Korean drama from this year, and it's Business Proposal. I freaking love this drama. The main character guys, both of them were so cute. 나는 민규파. I liked Mingyu a little bit better. And then the girls are so cute too. I love their chemistry. I love their vibe, their friendship, and the editing. I really like their editing as well and their sound effects. Yeah, it kept me very entertained. And guys, I love music, but New Jeans, Attention and Hype Boy, I listen to those songs every single day. Those two made it to my top 5 music I played the most this year. Alright guys, that is it for my 2022 favorites. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and leave me a comment. And I'll see you guys next year. Yeah, it is next year. Next year. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.